Good morning, children. How are you all? How are you all? Welcome back to our mathematics online class. Today we are going to start new chapter 6, time. Today we are going to start new topic, time. Before going to start that, let us see what is day and what is night. The period between sunrise and sunset is called a day. So this is sunrise and this is sunset. The period between sunrise and sunset is called as day. The period between sunset and sunrise is said to be night. So this is sunset and this is sunrise. The period between sunset and sunrise is called as night. We have 4 parts in a day. What are those? Morning, noon, evening and night. Okay, children? So, what is morning? When sun rises, it is called morning. When sun rises, it is called morning. When sun is overhead, it is called as noon. When sun is overhead, it is called as noon. When the sunlight starts fading, it is called as evening. When the sunlight starts fading, it is called as evening. So the period between noon and evening is called afternoon. The period between noon and evening is called as afternoon. So then what is night? When the sun sets, it is called night. At night, what you will do, ma? You will sleep. Okay, children? So these are the 4 parts in a day. So now let us measure the time. This is called clock. What is this, ma? This is called clock. The face of the clock is said to be dial. The face of the clock is said to be dial. Okay, children? The face of your clock has how many numbers? 12 numbers on it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 numbers on it. And also you can see 3 hands. 3 hands on the clock. So those 3 hands are in 3 lengths. One is short, another one is long, another one is long and thin. Long and thin. So this short hand is said to be hour's hand. The short hand is said to be hour's hand. The long hand is said to be, what is that? Yes, minutes hand. The long hand is said to be minutes hand. The short thin hand. The long thin hand. The long thin hand is said to be seconds hand. The long thin hand is said to be seconds hand. So you know that. So what you have in your clock, we have 3 hands. One is short hand, long hand and long thin hand. So short hand shows hours. Long hand shows minutes. Long thin hand shows seconds. So this is the face of the clock. So this is short hand. So where it locates, my short hand is at 3. Short hand is at 3. This is long hand. Long hand is at 12. So when short hand is at 3 and long hand is at 12, we can say the time is 3 o'clock. What is the time? The time is 3 o'clock. Why? Because The shorthand denotes hours. The shorthand denotes hours. So the time is here 3 o'clock. So now I am doing that. The shorthand is at 4. When the shorthand is at 4, what we can say? The time is 4 o'clock. The time is 4 o'clock. So when the shorthand is at 10 and the long hand is at 12, the long hand must show 12 and the shorthand at 10. So then what is the time here? What is the time here, ma? 10 o'clock. Okay, children. Now, the shorthand is at 6 and the long hand is at 12. Then what is the time? What is the time? The time is 6 o'clock. Okay, children. So now let us see how to draw a clock. So the clock is in different shapes. Mostly we can see two shapes. One is circle and another one is in square or rectangle shape. Mostly in square shape. Okay. So keep at middle one point. Exactly 12 and 6 should be opposite. 3 and 9, the numbers, those are opposite, quite opposite. Okay, ma? And here in between you have to write 1 and 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 11. So 1 is quite opposite to 7, 2 is quite opposite to 8, 3 is quite opposite to 9. Like that you have to draw. This is a clock. Face of the clock how to draw. Okay, children. Now, in this also like that only. 3 and 9 are quite opposite. 6 and 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So, this is how to draw a clock. Now, I want to show time 11 o'clock. So, we know that shorthand shows hours. So, you have to draw a shorthand at 11. Shorthand. And the long hand should be at 12. So, the long hand should be at 12. So, this shows 11 o'clock. Okay, children. Now, I want to show 8 o'clock. So, 8 o'clock means 8 hours. So, what? The shorthand should be at 8. The short hand should be at 8 and the long hand is at 12. So this is 8 o'clock. Okay, children? Do you know how to draw a, did you understand how to draw a clock and how to show time? Very good. Just now what we learned, ma? This is clock. Clock tells us time. The face of the clock is called as dial. So here in this clock we have 3 dials, three hands. The short hand is said to be hours hand and the long hand is minutes hand and the long thin hand. So which is nothing but in red color. This is seconds. Okay, children. So the face of a clock has 12 numbers on it. A clock has 3 hands. Short hand, long thin hand. Here see, this is long hand. It shows us the minutes. Blue color one is long hand and the orange color one is short hand. The orange color hand is short hand which shows us the hours. So children, can you say the time here? Kavyasri, what is the time here, ma? The short hand is at 3 and the long hand is at 12. What is the time?
3, ma'am.
Very good. 3 o'clock. You have to say 3 o'clock. Okay. Next. So here, who will say Advait Nair? Surya Sai Harshit. Surya Sai Harshit. So what is the time, ma? What is the time here? Tell the time shown by the clock. The short hand is at 3. The long hand is at 12. What is the time?
9, 10, 11, 12. 12, ma'am.
The short hand is at 3. The long hand is at 12. What is the time? You are not listening the class
3.
properly. Yes, 3 o'clock. It is 3 o'clock. She's
Yes.
yeah. Now tell the time shown by the clock. What is the time here?
8 o'clock.
Very good. 8 o'clock. Harinya? Tell the time shown by the clock here.
1.
Where is the short hand? Short hand is at which number?
1.
The long hand is at which number?
12.
So then what is the time?
1.
10 o'clock. Very good. Ashrita? Ashrita?
Yes, ma'am.
Tell the time shown by the clock.
3, ma'am.
See properly.
7, ma'am. 7, ma'am.
7 o'clock you have to say. What you have to say?
7 o'clock.
7 o'clock. Okay. Next. Vidita? Tell the time shown by the clock. Vidita?
4.
Where is the short
12. 9.
9 o'clock. Very good. Anil Yadav? Yes. Tell the time shown by the clock, ma.
12 o'clock.
Very good, girl. 12 o'clock. Okay. So did you understand how to tell time by seeing the clock? Very good. Now let us see the daily activities. What we will do? Children, what are the activities you will do daily? Can anyone say? Who will say, ma? Raise your hand. Akshaya want to say. Tell me, Akshaya.
అంటే
1 minute.
Yes, madam. Yes, ma'am.
Tell me, Akshaya.
అంటే what, ma'am?
What are the daily activities you do? What are the activities you do daily?
Activities అంటే
Okay, then I will say what we will do. Okay, children? At first, what we will do? I get up in the morning. I brush my teeth. I go for a bath. Next, I eat my breakfast. I get ready for school and I go to school. At school, what you will do? At school, I will study. I take my lunch. I play with my friends. I return to my home. After that, I take some rest. I take my snacks. Later, I will do my homework and then I go to play. I go out to play with my friends. Okay, later I come back to home. I wash my hands and legs. I take my dinner, and then I watch TV for some time and then go to bed to sleep. So these are the daily activities you do. Isn't it, children? Are you doing this daily or not? Now we are not going to school, but we are what we are doing? We are attending online classes, isn't it? So these are these all activities you are doing daily. Okay. So now let us see the activities once again. Okay, children? Yeah, let's see the daily activities. First, what we will do at first, get up, wake up in the morning. Okay. Next, brush my teeth. Very good, cheese. Next, take a bath. Next, get dressed. Next, pray God. Have breakfast and get ready for school and go to school. These things are you doing daily or not? Yes, very good, Harinya. Next, at school what you will do? You study after having lunch. Next, play games with your friends. After that, come back to home. Next, having snacks. Next, you do your homework with the help of your parents. Isn't it? Yes. Later, what you will do? You will play for some time with your friends. Yes, Harinya, are you playing like this? Are you doing like this daily?
Yes, ma'am.
After that, you come back to home, wash your hands and legs, eating dinner with your family, and then go to sleep. So, these are the daily activities you are doing. Isn't children? So, here I have some questions. Okay, you have to answer. Observe the pictures and tell which activity we do in the morning. In the morning, which activity we do, ma? Ashrita? Ashrita. Where is she? Where she went? Ashrita, tell me.
Yes,
Here I
ma'am.
have given two activities. Which activity you will do in the morning? Read the activities.
Yes, ma'am.
Read the activities here.
Yes, ma'am.
What, ma? Here I have given two activities. Brushing teeth and play games. In these two activities,
Yes, ma'am.
which activity you will do in morning?
Brushing, ma'am.
Very good, brushing. Next, Bhavyashri. Bhavyashri.
Turn on your camera.
Yeah, here two activities are given for you. Which activity you will do in afternoon? Afternoon, which activity you do? Read the activities, ma. Here, read the activities first. Have lunch, pray God. In these two activities, which activity you do in afternoon?
Have dance.
Having lunch. Very good. Next. She's yes. Observe the pictures and tell which activity we do in the evening. Evening, which activity you do?
Play.
Very good. Playing. Next. Vikshaditi. Vikshaditi.
Yes, ma'am.
In these two activities, which activity you do in morning?
Brush your teeth.
Yes, brush your teeth. Sainika?
Yes,
Uh, Here you have two activities. Which activity you do in school?
Study, ma'am.
Very good. Study. Akshay? Akshay.
Yes, ma'am.
Observe the pictures and tell which activity we do at night. Come back home, go to sleep. Which activity you will do at night?
Come back home.
Night you will come back home. Huh? At night what you will do?
Go to sleep.
Yes, go to sleep. Supriya?
Yes.
Observe the pictures and tell which activity we do in afternoon. Afternoon, which activity you will do, ma?
Afternoon ఏం చేస్తారు లంచ్
Bath chestava, lunch chestava
Taking
afternoon.
చెప్పు మరి లంచ్
Very good. We will do our lunch. Next. Sai Sahasra.
yes ma'am
Which activity you will do at night?
dinner
Very good. Dinner. Aditya.
yes ma'am
So, here I am telling two activities to you. Okay. Taking bath and go to sleep. Which activity you will do in morning?
taking bath
Very good. Taking bath. So, these are the daily activities what we are doing each day. Isn't it, children?
yes ma'am
And did you understand how to say time, how to read time, and the activities what we are doing daily? Okay, very good. And here I will ask you one question. How much time you will take to eat your breakfast? How much time you will take to eat your breakfast?
Breakfast 10 minutes తీసుకురావు 15 minutes 10 minutes
15 minutes 15 minutes
10 minutes. Very good. Okay, children, I will give some activities to you. You have to do those activities and send it to me. Okay, ma? That's all for today's class. We will meet in the next class. Children, did you type your attendance in chat box?